What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. And in today's video, we're gonna be going over the Jordan 1 UNCs. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be doing an in-hand review. I'm gonna be giving y'all that close-up look, you feel me? Let's get straight into the video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below saying, where do you think these Jordan 1 UNCs are gonna be at in the future? Because these boys is some serious, you feel me? Today, we're gonna be going over the Jordan 1 UNCs. I did hit these boys through sneakers. Hey, man, I ain't hit sneakers in a minute, so hey, I felt this one, you know what I mean? But these shoes is pretty nice, bro. We're gonna be going over price predictions for the future, my thoughts on the materials used, and let's get right into it. All right, so let's start it off with my first impressions on this shoe, and I did open up the box. Now, I was hearing a lot about factory flaws on this shoe from, social media, you know what I'm saying? I've been hearing a lot of people say they had glue stains on their shoe. The material looked messed up on certain parts of the shoe, you know what I'm saying? So I just had to see for myself. Now, when I did open up the box on these shoes, I did see a couple glue stains, you know what I'm saying? So quality control on these shoes isn't too good like that. It's not perfect. But I mean, overall, these shoes are pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? I do like these shoes. They was my size, bro, so that was the hardest part about this. Like, I was like, do I sell it? Do I keep? You know what I'm saying? In my opinion, bro, the materials is nice on this shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's like a soft nubuck. It's not that much of a suede, you know what I'm saying? The suede is not that buttery, but the leather on this is pretty tumble. Now, I do like the leather on these shoes. The leather is pretty tumble, as you can see. The leather is pretty tumbled on this shoe, and the blue is very, very nice on the shoe in hand. Now, when you get these shoes, it does come with an extra set of baby blue laces, and it does come with a primary set of black laces. And I done seen people rock both in at the same time. I done seen people rock the blue laces. It look nice either way, to be honest with me. And if you are interested on getting you a pair of these shoes and you don't know what size or like how these do fit, ones do always fit true to size. So whatever your true size is in shoes, you know what I'm saying, that is gonna be this. It's not gonna be too big, too small. You don't go up a half size, you don't go down a half size. But back to the suede. I was expecting a much nicer suede. Now, I think the suede on the mochas was way nicer than these, you know what I'm saying? Suede is still nice, but it's not nothing crazy like that, you know what I'm saying? And the leather is really nice. I ain't had a nice tumble leather like this in my hand in a minute, you know what I'm saying? So the leather on these is pretty nice, if I do have to say so. All right, so now price predictions on these shoes. In my opinion, the men's pairs started off too high from the get-go, but the men's pairs started off at like $450, $500. A day or two after the drop, it was still sitting steady on those prices, and I was telling everybody, bro, I'm like, hey man, these prices not gonna sit. People thought the price was just gonna keep rising. No, bro, it don't go like that, you know what I'm saying? I knew the prices was gonna drop back. They have started to pull back just a little bit. I just checked StockX, prices are at like $420, $425 for my size, you know what I'm saying? And when I first got them, and that's they was at like $480, $500 almost, $450. So yeah, prices are starting to pull back a little bit, but if you are intending on buying, just wait until, I would say they pull to like the 400 flat range. Grade school sizes, however, are still very low. Now, when I did look at prices on these shoes, I did compare them to the Obsidian ones and the Mocha ones. Now, the men's pair started off high, and they were almost just as high as the Obsidian ones. You know what I'm saying? The Obsidian ones been out for like 2 years, right? You know what I'm saying? They shouldn't be that high yet, so I knew they was gonna pull back. Now, the grade school pairs, the Obsidian ones are at like $500-$600, I think. And then these pairs are sitting at around, they're sitting just under $400. I was like, okay, these pairs are still pretty low, but if the grade school pairs do pull back, it's not gonna be nothing serious like the men's pairs, but they could pull back. But I think grade school pairs are just gonna go up from here, but as you guys know, grade school pairs and Jordan 1s, they go crazy, but you can get a crazy return on those if you do buy in grade school. Like I said, the grade school ones came in low, these came in high. These are definitely gonna pull back in my opinion. And the grade school pairs might have a minor pullback, or they're just gonna go straight up. But in the comment section, guys, let me know what you guys think about these Jordan 1 UNCs. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, they are nice. I was debating on keeping them for myself, but you know what I'm saying, I don't know if I can really wear a light blue like this. I'm not really into like the brighter color shoes, you feel me? More like a darkish shoe guy, you know what I'm saying? I wear like the blacks, the browns, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, these shoes is pretty nice for whoever like them. Yeah, guys, hey, in the comment section, rate these boys from 1 to 10 for me. I just want to see something, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below saying, what do you guys rate these shoes from 1 to 10? It's been your boy. I'm out.